Bring it right down here.
Kick-Ass Motorsports.
Kick-Ass Motorsports. Watch this. My little car OCD coming out. I detail cars in high school, man. Look at that steel wool double lot. Brings it right out. God, I've had like 3 of these and another E12 5 Series. These cars are just a bomb. Saabs are good, but BMW is the best. Black man working. Bob Marley Whaler. Bring money with. Break my wallet. Look how shiny it is. Bring it in here, nigga. Look. Look at that shiny on there. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Your lifters are making noise. Oh, it's a Ford product, of course.
There's a shot right there.
Got it?
Bam.